Find the traditional side panel that looks exactly like the one shown here. Put the dowels into the holes of the side panel. Find the diagonal bottom panel and connect the wooden connectors into the remaining holes. Repeat the same for the top panel as well. Find the side panel with the slanted edge and with the dowels in place. Attach to the side of the cabinet. Flip the cabinet over, and after inserting the dowels into other regular side panel, attach it to the rest of the cabinet. Flip the cabinet over again and insert the dowels to the side. Find the side panel with the slanted edge and attach it to the rest of the cabinet. Stand the cabinet up and then find the thin back panel. Slide this into the groove. Find the door and insert the hinges into the hinge hole. Use screws to secure the hinge and attach to the cabinet box.